orientation, to reorient this Nigerian mentality and give them new orientation. What we are doing is laudable, and I like it because it's exposure. Exposure is part of education. A lot of people don't know what normal life is supposed to be until they see it, they are able to experience it. I'm sure some from Nigerians, some back in Nigeria, some 1 week, maybe in US or in UK, some of them are Nigeria. Somebody padà wá Nigeria, wọ́n máa sunkún ni, wọ́n máa sunkún kiri street bí egbére ni. Because they will, yes, I'm telling you the truth. I'm telling you the truth. Because all these things go join me because of my exposure or the life I've been exposed to.
Bishop, kí ló dé tí àkírí nightlife mọ́ ní Nàìjíríà? Tó bá ti di 7, everything seems to go dark. Why is that?
There is no power supply.
Okay.
There is no power in Nigeria. You as a person, you are like local government of your own house.
Okay.
You handle your electricity by yourself.
Okay.
Don't rely on government or national grid giving you constant light. That's why they take their light, the honey, they take it. So don't rely. You have to do your constant life by yourself. If they bring fine, they don't bring fine. You have your standby power gen or whatever, or solar. Like I use solar.
Okay.
Now, you handle your water by yourself. At the same time, government doesn't provide water. You have to get your borehole and give yourself good water in your compound. Yeah.
So when we tell people that we want, when we tell people that we want a better system that works, why are they disregarding that? Kí ló dé tán disregard it?
It's not them that is disregarding it. You see, the larger number of Yoruba or the Nigerians per se, they are weaklings. They are powerless.
Okay.
They are powerless. They desire these things that we are talking about. But the political head and àtàwọn ajá wọn tó ń jẹun lábẹ́ wọn, àwọn lẹ́rí tó ń gbáwájú tó ń gbẹ̀yìn tó ń kick against ẹ̀, àwọn ló ní irú privilege láti jáde tó kick against ẹni débi ń pa tó fẹ́ fowó ẹ̀ fi manage àkókò owó yẹn ó ṣe calculate bó ṣe máa fi wọ mọ́tò débi iṣẹ́ kọ́ máa ṣàkẹ́ ló fẹ́ fi ra data wa máa fi kúyàn lórí platform. No, it's not them. It is those politically sponsored people, and they are few. They are few in numbers. They are few in numbers. And one thing again that I've seen over here is that Nemesis always catch up on them. Nemesis always catch up on them. Mari eléyẹ wá ní ó ṣiṣẹ́ pẹ̀lú sósótó nígbà tó jẹ sẹ́nétọ̀ àbí nígbà tó jẹ gọ́vnọ̀ àbí nígbà tó yẹ ó ṣiṣẹ́ ní gọ́vnẹ̀ Nàìjíríà sósótó. Nígbà tí wàá wo láìpẹ́ the life has not become measured with somebody that have that kind of post. So we will now look at why do you sympathize for these kind of people? That's the way I look at it. Because when you are in that position, what did you do for your people? Okay. You are so selfish, and now life is kicking back on you. You are so selfish. So when you are in Nigeria, you come fully loaded. You provide your light by yourself, you provide your water, you provide your house, you provide your security by yourself. You have to do it because government is not responsible for anybody. Government is just like a tax collector, collecting tax on your business, collecting tax on your shop. Even the people hawking, government collect tax, local government collect tax for people hawking. And they put out the tolls to collect all the money for them, collecting tax on transportation, so the transportation act, price act to continue, and the fuel subsidy, also removed so that the transportation. So life is just going high for people and never go down. And that's why we are doing all we can do here to assist those who can listen and hear